Nothing fancy because this is only merely for the house. Hi guys, how is everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another quick video. You guys, I hope you are truly doing good today. You guys, I felt the need to bring you guys this homemade Louisiana crumb cake. Now, if you're familiar with me, then you know I put a picture of the crumb cake over in my comment area. No. What is it? Anyway, I shared it on my post, okay? So, yeah, your girl is going to bring you this quick little video, you guys. So, we're going to start off with 2 sticks of softened margarine. You can use butter, whatever is your preference. But we want them to be softened, okay? So, yeah, we're going to, when I tell you, you guys, this cake is so delicious, I felt the need to bring you guys this easy recipe. Now, you don't need a mixer. You don't need a mixer. You see how soft that is? Okay, your girl is working really fast, okay? She's working really fast. Why? Because I got things I gotta do, okay? So, yeah, we're gonna start off by, you know, getting that on in here. Now, our second step is we got 2 cups of granulated sugar. So we're going to just go ahead and put it right on in here. Just like so, a little at a time. Right? Because we need to mix that sugar right on up in there, you guys. Now anyone, and I do mean anyone, could make this cake recipe with just a few simple ingredients around your home. Don't think you're not a baker. Because your girl never would have thought she had it in her. Now, if you're familiar with Louisiana crumb cake, you guys, that was one of my mom's favorite recipes, and today is her birthday. So yeah, if you see me, please, you know, leave a kind comment. But yeah, you guys, when I taste this, I was amazed. If you, like I said, if you go over in my community post, that's what it is. Oh, so yeah, it's gonna look kind of like I don't want to say gritty texture, but that's what you're looking for, okay? That's exactly what you're looking for. So we have 4 eggs. We're going to use 4 eggs, you guys. And I'm putting 2 at a time, which you can do 1 at a time. It's not a biggie. You just got to blend it in there real well. That's all. It's not a biggie. Oh, look at there. You guys. We're just going to go on and do that like that. Oh, my goodness. You guys. And we're going to add these 2 on in here. So we got those out the way, right? And that's all we're going to do is mix these on up. Like I say, you can use your blender. Or you don't have to. Okay, guys, so, yeah. Had a little visitor. She's in here. But yes, this is all you're doing. You're mixing. Okay, now you see the consistency, right? So now we have a lemon. We're going to squeeze us some lemon juice right on in there. I know you guys said, now wait a minute. Yeah, Miss T did that. Okay. Is that a... See. So we're just going to put us a couple of drippings of vanilla. That's it. Okay? Because now our next step is we have some flour. Now, you know, if you have a flour Swiffer, that's easy. But if you don't take your fork and just do like that. Couple times, you know what I'm saying? Couple times. That's some all-purpose flour. Let me get some baking powder out the cabinet because I forgot to put that as well as some salt. Now, you don't need much, you guys. You don't need much. So we're just going to go and do a little bold estimate of, okay? So, 1, 2. Approximately 2 tablespoons. Yeah, I'm going to go with, well, let's go with 3. Because I'm using a fork, okay? So, you mix that on in there. Just going to sprinkle lightly some salt. Why? Because the salt is going to enhance the sugar, you guys. And you don't want too much salt. Because you don't want that salt taste. It ain't right if you don't spill nothing, okay? So you're just going to go ahead and you're going to stir that in like so. Oh, you guys, look at it coming together. And this right here is a simple, basic step to your own homemade cake. You guys, you must try this in your own kitchen, you guys. In your own kitchen. So we just going to go on and get that on in here. And yeah, you're working out the lumps, the kinks, whatever. You're just going to work it out, okay? And we're going to put some more flour in here. Carter, can you give me this big spoon?
Okay.
And you're just going to just whip it like so. Oh, if you could smell the lemon flavor going on in this house. Now, this is a recipe I know in my heart of hearts that my mother would have enjoyed, because that's what we enjoyed on holidays, was the Louisiana crumb cake. She couldn't go to the market without purchasing it. So yeah. Oh, you guys, look at this. And it's coming along. There you go. There you have it. It's a lot of work, it seemed like, put into this cake, but it's not. It's a lot of love, but it's not a lot of work. Carter, tell your auntie the piece of cake.
Okay. I'm gonna be acting my friends. Look at this.
You guys, and that's it. Now, I do have a little more flour, and I could use it, but I'm not, okay? Your girl tired of stirring. So we're going to go with probably 2.5 cups. I'm not going to stir you wrong. If you got a mixer, hey, go ahead. But your girl is doing this. You can go anywhere from 2 to maybe 2.5. 3 cups. So we already have a greased loaf pan, because I did it in a bun pan, and I don't want a bun cake today. And we just going to go ahead, and we just going to go and put this right on in here. Just like so. Just like so. Karen, what you say?
This is really good.
Does it not? Is that not a Louisiana?
Yeah. This is really good.
Did you have a question?
So, you guys, I don't know if you heard her, but she came all the way over here for that last piece of cake. Because like I say, this was my mom's favorite recipe. But who would have known that I knew how to do it. So what we have is our loaf pan, excuse the knocking, and I'm just going to put a sharp cut right in between here, even though it's not going to look like it, but we okay with it. And we're going to slide this in the oven till it gets golden brown, and we're going to pull it out, and you guys are going to see me do the finishing touches. So guys, we have our delicious cake right here. We have some glaze that I have made up. And yeah, we're going to put us a little glaze on here. Let me get my knife. My knife. Now this is not the proper knife, but hey, we're going to use it. We're going to use it. Got armor towels right here. So, what we're going to do is we're going to put a light glaze on this, you know, and it has the lemon zest. Now, I know a lot of you guys think that the other cake was not, you know, made by me. And it was. I'm just lightly drizzling it. Nothing fancy, because this is only merely for the house. You know, just to have something sweet around the house. And I'm going to get all of this glaze up. So we're going to clean all of this up, you guys. But I just wanted you guys to see me drizzle it. And I know some of you say, well, you know, that's not good. But that's what we came out with. But anywho, you guys, this is my cake. And yes, let's go in for the cut. You guys, take a look at that. Now, does that not look super moist? Let's take a bite. You guys, who like the end pieces? I know I do. Super delicious. You get the lemon flavor. Mm-hmm. The zest brings out flavor. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of how the cake, how to make a quick cake, crumb cake at home. And I hope you share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what the girl is doing on this channel. And yes, you can make this cake yourself. So I am getting ready to close out. Sending much love from my house to yours. Please go over, check out other cake recipes. The coffee cake. Cinnabons. Go check them out. All of those was made from scratch. I wouldn't give you a recipe if I didn't enjoy it. I know you guys wouldn't enjoy it. But this is a great coffee. Well, this is not a coffee cake, you guys. But I think and it's only in my opinion. I have some beautiful cakes you can enjoy a cup of coffee with, some tea with, share with friends and family. And yes, they are simple recipes to use. Ingredients to use in your kitchen. And you don't have to run to the store. You guys, that is a delicious pound cake, you guys. Try it out yourself. And I am sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.